muscle because Rosalie can't hold for your mouth. Rosalie cannot hold for your mouth. Sorry. So figure it out, get Melissa money and not give Diamond nothing for fix up our shop, not give Diamond nothing for do nothing to our house, not even for going to JPS go pay the balance. Diamond don't get no money and Rosalie AKEEM gone with $2.7 million for Rosalie. So me don't know say Rosalie I walk a buy man bedroom set. Oh, me never know that. And him a boast about his and her bedroom set, yeah. Yes, my love, I can't bother beat on the bush no more. Whole word, somebody knows say a whole word advertisement. So when them a guani, a trouble in the camp and never peace. Them could have never trick me. Sprinkle a little salt under my tongue, it will help the headache. Hey, Batty man, mine never put salt under my tongue and it send up my pressure, you know. Mine, you know. Then suppose to put the salt under my tongue and my pressure ignite to 120. Eh? Mine, you know. How are you here about me? Make sure say it will help, you know. I will cuss and go on body. Hey, you don't want pies in my 2 gigabytes? How much? 1 tablespoon of salt I must put under my tongue? Eh? Put a tablespoon of salt. Yeah, yes. Eh? Somebody said 5 tablespoons of salt. That's so much salt I never put under my tongue. Then I go. Might as well go to El Shago drinking. Yeah, what kind of dumpy story this? Be real, what pinch? Oh, put a pinch. But suppose my pinch them big. Suppose my pinch them big like guinea seed. Put a cup and... What else for them?
One more today.
I put the pinch of salt as I put it, it disappear. I should dry out and I need my tongue though. Count 10 grain of salt, then for count 10 grain of salt. Then I walk through them something. Don't allow me, man. That's why I like asking on this, you know. When I leave me alone. Oh. Salt me a la belch. I see him go. Eh? Content in a late. Yeah. Revise the chemistry book, auntie. No, we don't see nothing. Yeah, now back to the matter and now. So the Fantastic 12, when them attack both say them this and them that, let me tell you something, I don't trust the Diamond and Rosalie situation because the two of them get robbed from these young men. Don't trust the Diamond and Rosalie situation. Remember nothing now going for them. Don't trust it. Do not trust it. Leave that alone. Let us talk about how them not get the money. Let us talk about how them not get the money. $2.7 million. Imagine your mama get 800,000, you take 1.9. They don't come from mash up Rosalie, which is fine, Maybe she deserve it. Yeah, maybe she deserve it. Yeah. When it come from mash up Rosalie, Rosalie deserve it. God knows. Yeah, if anybody deserve it, it's she. It's she. And then them sit down there and you sit down and you pretend and you spaz out and you guani pan Jakes and you class Jakes. Jakes supposed to somebody wake up Jakes before he piss to start life. Me no want Jakes piss to start life. Wake him up. Oh. All them suck me here. You see how hey, when you see how wickedness can prevail. When me tell you so when you're looking at Rosalie's face, she's not happy. She is worried. She want burst and don't know how for burst. Joke yourself with a pain. Yeah. You understand what I say? It just she buy a new family, she don't know say new family expensive. Then AKEEM could have never come on the internet and trick all a girl like me. From AKEEM come on the internet, me know say them boy are not used to nothing. Them boy are live from Airbnb to Airbnb and call it home. Nobody could have never tell me nothing. Nobody. I wanna walk and buy fandangles off of the app. Me never tell a lie when AKEEM a show World Dog in bed. Me said the boy are don't used to nothing. I saw it feel when you come on for people things and go on for your own. Me not tell no lie. Wanna make people fandangles friend or too much. Me can't play with you now. Me don't know where someone come from, you know, as God be my witness. Them use the same set of trick where them use on the internet. I eat AKEEM use on Rosalie. And from day one, I sit down on the app. And I've been saying this to you guys. Wanna encourage this lady in her own demise. And see there, cause when people talk them bad mind, oh me for bad mind a girl like that who don't even know for I head from my foot. Yeah, see a little fat drop for then come here, pause a little there. Oh Sunshine Doll reaching another argument now. Because in all fairness, Sunshine Doll, anybody where support you careless. I remember one of the same set of big stinking nasty old woman we used to walk and support Rosalie. So all of a sudden now, you come and hype up on Rosalie with your Syrian house. Cause everything in your house buy out of the Syrian store. Everything in your liberty come with a sheen, you know. It come with a sheen. Me not tell no lie. And you silver out. Me don't know how you for open your door, Sunshine, and I support the coolie man liberty inside. Make it make sense. Me nothing in your house are foreign, no manageable, no look art, no look hype, no look antique, no look authentic. Everything that down to the poorest girl at Tivoli, you can't even compete with her with your. Me eat your house. Too much shine, me think a barnyard. Me not in the light Sunshine Doll. Your house full of decoration and nothing necessary. I can bet you have a storeroom with pure wheelchair, walker and cane. Remember hospital you work. I don't know how you jump into the argument. When we remember say you support this big bitch and then turn on now with your alkaline bodybuilding, muscular looking shoulder them and you come around up your stinking mouth. Go on yeah? Go on because the only thing you have in your house to show is vanity and none of them they can go up on the wheel. None of them they can go on the wheel. So I don't know where you cost girl in your house. If I me like you, me shame. I leave them something for ticket who just run off. If they are far too long for you live in a sheen. Wow man, I don't like your little liberty. I don't like your little liberty. Yeah, the whole of the walk on mine man like dog. Go talk about your body man son. You tell you're busy and open your door to the internet, go open your door to your Batman son. Cause you alone give up and pick the true father and like you stepfather and like him. Remember you abandoned your child for run down body when unnecessary, body when dead from the root like Shalom own. Go on yeah? Lady move. Excuse out of my way Sunshine, your shoulder them too thick. Excuse. Yeah. I wanna said one come at me for Rosalie. Wanna so cocky girl. I wanna said one come walk and buy body. All wanna the age paper tell wanna say it wrinkle. Wanna still a buy cocky. Yeah. I wanna see him one. Me nah look pan uno. All you kick up one person and rail up and a galang bad boy Rosalie. You and Rosalie are the same thing. The only thing that will change you and Rosalie is your climate. You have autumn, winter and spring and sometimes you get a little snow with it. Yeah, Rosalie beat tropics all year round. That's the only thing we separate. You are the same thing. Remember a man on the silver picnic, you know? Remember on the breed for old man and disappointed after him gone? Remember, go run down your Batman son, sunshine doll. Go and run him down. Yeah, not until he build a band with him. Then you can come and talk. Uno said one defend Rosalie, so Uno for this. Uno too hypocritical. Where? The old people you look after. Old people you look after. Go clip them wrinkle. Them skin want drop and clip. You want something to do all when you get the half. I say me never see a woman for open up a Shine store, so our Syrian store. Yeah, everything for she come from the Indian shop. Yeah, everything when sunshine dollar cost nobody in our house, them for come so. Woo! I pay Indian liberty. Move from here, so you're not cooling. Yeah, no, back to the matter and no. With AKEEM, I don't know how I reach this, so, but I one video where I did see me remember. Yeah. That's something I remember. Good morning to you, to Victoria, without the secret. Yeah. Auntie with the map, see it right here, so. See it right here, so. The zoom up on me, it hurt me. It hurt my man, the zoom up. Anytime I map, I stay long on the live, I don't like it. Yeah, them used to rep for Rosalie. You remember when one of them come at me? When all of them came at me when tell me I talk the truth. How long me I sit down and I say, Uno, I'm going to make this lady go right down in her own demise. How long? AKEEM take the girl and carry the girl gone over where you are. And you tell me, say, you still take money from the girl? Me not in the life when I put Rosalie in where she used to batty life. A batty live it una do. Me not tell una no lie. No lie. Never say come see AKEEM. Never say come see AKEEM. You understand me? Then remember AKEEM come and say him come to show these ladies a better way of living. Remember these are his words. These are his words. So when AKEEM Muma, when they are from about Rosalie 800,000, see all him take 1.9 from Rosalie. When they must say, him and his mother work together, them come for ring by any means necessary. Snow out there now. Snow out there where AKEEM for name out, but Snow have AKEEM pan a leash. Why AKEEM never name out Snow? Why Snow never bust AKEEM to all of them here? Why? Why? But a good for Rosalie. You swap Black Dog for Monkey. So the boy put in 2K90. A good fear. And your wickedness them a aunt you. Yeah. You get a bad wicked from you. Me tell you. Yeah. When you make threat now, if you say, you got bring it to, bring it to the internet, but Snow just a throw wood pipe on her status. Snow will put up cash out. A throw word cash out. Make it make sense. You only can walk and fool the internet and who want buy it, buy it. Anybody want buy it, feel free. And matter of fact, you not have to buy it, take it. Yeah, cause that nah sell. Yeah. Now ask you know. Yeah man, it a get to him now. Him a bigger dough come on the app with it. But Rosalie no stop fly him out in a secret. All Rosalie is long so. I say from AKEEM carrier go far, not even the filter work. Not even the filter work. Oh, I just peer truth here, see you know. I peer truth here, see. No, it's true. When everybody jump up and say my bad mind and say me this and say me that, I see it come long time, see there, you borrowed $2.7 million from the girl and Rosalie not stop Lenya. And the one little time Rosalie texts you and asks you for suck your hood, all I know she not get the cocky in her mouth. All I know she don't get the cocky in her mouth. She not even get it on her nose to sniff it, make it rock her like coke. Not even that. You keep milking the cow, milking the cow, milking the cow. I wonder if this is a brown cow. Yeah, you keep milking the cow. Milk and milk the cow. See, then no say nothing to stay hid. Not even the killing of Naya. Nothing to stay hidden. Then you don't know that. Then Rosalie depend on the apple long time, your whole stink, your manifesting you got beard, you know brush teeth, back of your head are rotten, come in and want to say back of your mouth, back of your head are rotten because of father teeth there. You understand me? And you really not gain no knowledge, you really not stop walk and buy cocky Rosalie, you will spend £1 million body, which you did. Then you must make AKEEM feel like a star, for girl pay so much for promise, and Jesus promised we. Oh, he promised me a home over there. Yeah, look how much things Jesus promised when him give away. Eh? And AKEEM I promise you and you appear. And one thing Jesus said, if you pray unto me, I give you everything but I promise you. You think it hard for prayer. Eh? Rosalie, then you really and truly spend $1.9 million on boy when I want you. And you have Shanta who want edges, yes, and she never did a wear wig. Eh? Shanta never wear wig yet from SHEBADA, she lose her edges. And you not spend the $1.9 million on triple ear growth oil for your daughter. Huh? Then wanna take care of phone pick me, I wanna want me respect on kids. Eh? I only did want me a nice, clean, look good mother fashionista. Sit up on my fridge top here and respect when I wanna pick me come suck my bum from back way when me have diarrhea. Come lick out my body hole from back way. Me da take a douche with your tongue. Yeah. You don't want your tongue wiggle up in me like feet, Emina. Your mother. Me have church tomorrow, auntie. Alright, oh. Yeah. $2.7 million. That's why the mama can come out and talk about. They are my grandkids. I love them. You must love them if millions appear. Remember, you know, a million to buy phone of love. And my rather wanna eat me. Me rather wanna eat me. Them say money can't buy happiness, money cannot buy love. And girls still out there pay for love, then them can't read or them deaf. Me rather wanna eat me. That's why I like when some people eat me, because it costs when too much people like you. Family for sale is true pink party. Everybody are running. Because Rosalie is an idiot. Everybody for running, make life out of she. Rosalie is the girl from AKEEM the pandemic. Rosalie is the girl who bust him to bedroom set. Me nah ask you this. Me nah ask you. Rosalie a girl who buy AKEEM in first wheels. No girl, no boy can come tell me nothing. Cause anytime man I get them first wheels, bite them take. A boy have a genuinely love car. Me nah ask you. A pay like come on the app come tell. Rosalie walk and buy man vehicle and bedroom set. Rosalie could have live a foreign. She could have live a foreign because she know if you do CNA work. And mine man. Me nah ask you. Rosalie deserve the visa. Then what are we back to the visa now? What are we me here say kick off go on an embassy? Me I wonder if Rosalie get the visa. Me I wonder if she get the visa. And that me I wonder if she get the visa, cause me I hear little tingling, you know. Yeah, school bell a ring. But me no want to say nothing yet. Me no want to say nothing yet. So me no know, but me hear say some kick off go on. Somebody can lick Junior 6, Junior favor vomit here. God know Junior favor vomit. And most a promoter will deal with data send for Junior. Junior could have really Junior favor vomit. Junior favor like man with sexing for opportunity. Me don't like Junior for true. Junior look like man with sexing for opportunity. Junior look like him using body for get through. Me not talk. It's true. It's true. I pay sick my stomach people, but nevertheless moving right along. I don't want them come back though. I who send me the American, so my filing come true. Thank you for the American plane. Oh, see, can you see by the pearly lost life and surrounded we grow By the flock shall we traded, who stripe blinds and bright skies, and surrender your lives. And the rocket red glad, the bomb bursting in air, gave through the night, that a flag was still there. Oh, say the star-spangled banner, for the land of the free and the home of the brave. Here, no send me the more of them something there. Me can't believe this singing. Too much singing. Yeah. Me I go do Super Bowl. Me I do Super Bowl, but I don't want you out of it. You're fully forgiven. You're fully foreignized. Oh, they know what me I read. Yeah. Pull up the free. Me I sing for Olympic. When you stop congratulating me, now make me feel over special. When I feel over special, I will burst out in tears, you know. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. America don't know what they're missing. Yeah. England playing anti. Did England playing? This is the wrong country making the anthem. Did England playing? So the wrong country making the anthem? I want one years, me not sing over, you know. Me not doing it. Fear is fear, they never write it down. Me not sing over again, man. Backside wall. Me not doing it. Fear is fear. Me not doing it, me not singing over. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, I'm not singing over. I take the wrong flight. It seems, and that's why I fly so long. And when if Rosalie could have take the wrong flight, then AKEEM carry Rosalie gone down in one country where the kitchen don't look good like theme own. The kitchen don't look good like theme own. AKEEM know what him want. Me eat dirty people like that. AKEEM is just a dirty narcissist boy. But nevertheless, sometimes you can't blame them. Them don't want to work and them walk around and rob people. A theme lifestylist and them are robbing in front of them. I remember Una did subscribe to the nastiness. Una did subscribe to the nastiness. Una dirty people. Una did sit down and subscribe. Me now look for Una. Yeah. I know AKEEM down with the girl $2.7 million. Then Rosalie have $2.7 million. You did have $3 million, Rosalie. And you know, go upstairs for your mama Rata Castle. Rosalie, all your big and kill is AKEEM for go with all your fat, but that you not have so much space to store them. But now tell you, when you come back if you favor urban, and that me want to make you do when you're done. When you come back if you favor urban and she not legend. Come on now, oh she disappears so. I'm concerned about urban. Urban and them are coming like them are run for the slimline. Yeah, when them are plan for advertise dental floss. I mean, know oh a diamond and she just a suck down so them just a disappear but they look like urban now. I don't know after figure it out now give diamond some of the money. I don't know how the weight here go look come next month. I don't know what kind of image diamond go give it next month knowing that I'm a man robber. Can't take the different image you know I can't keep up. When I soon up on the road, I can identify when a man. When I go bounce me on the shoulder, I go elbow and realize that when I'm a friend, Hush Daima. Then Daima, oh yeah, with us so. Then Daima have a problem. Come here, Daima. You have a problem. I'm address you this morning, Daima. You have a problem with Ivan upon live and blame them attack how much you have AIDS. But Diamond, blame them say you have AIDS, you have AIDS. Diamond, if blame them say you have AIDS, you have AIDS. I only parole you run with your crutches. You run road with the crutches from before them start change the number them on the bus for the different route. You are on the road with your crutches a long time. From before taxi decide for throw out pan policeman and be robot. Me not ask you, Diamond. So if blame them say you have AIDS, Diamond, walk with it. You have AIDS. You know why? When Rosalie sit down and attack say people have AIDS, you know jump up and say nothing, but AIDS fit you because you alone are shrinking at the four. You alone are shrinking at the four. So anything blame them say Allah. Diamond, if them say you have AIDS, you have AIDS. You go like a girl where we see you take a vacation at clinic. From we know you will never see you take vacation at clinic yet. So if blame them say you have AIDS, work with it. Because when you sit down with your big fat friend, when you sit down with the breadwinner, and the breadwinner diss up everybody, you sit and you smile and you never say to the breadwinner yet say, don't say that, you're wrong. So why you come out now, come take life and a different? Blame them say you have AIDS, you have it. Appear little boy you take and them little boy you carry, you ask Ivan, because she walk and issue things to them like she keep convention in her crutches. Yeah. We don't like it. We don't like when time the shoe is on the other foot. We don't like it. Rosalie sit down on Rosalie par and every day Rosalie walk and talk say people sick and people this and people that and you never as a big long time before time woman where you used to chew a word pan Noah. You never yet say Rose don't say that because sickness is respect of no person. You never one day say that and you know say your friend have one kidney and you are shrink with your two kidney them. Yeah, you never do that. Fear is fear. Yeah, you don't like ear though. It not sit well with you though. They might blame them say you have AIDS, and Ivan is supposed to laugh. Because from one sick to one next sick, Ivan is going to laugh at it. Yeah. Ivan is going to laugh at it. From one sick to another sick. Blame them say you're sick and him tell her sick say you sick. So she laugh after it, one sick laugh. So why you not come out, come laugh though? Come out, come laugh. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing is wrong with that. Yeah, come out at the say, hey, this sound good, this sound damn if you can't tell the internet, get off. All of a sudden your thin skin and a tree used to drop out. You're the only one who see the head tap in a garbage pan. You're the only one. I see them roll in a gutter water when you come over and cigarette butt in your wig. Eh? You're the only one I see them do that. They never say your thin skin. And if the asphalt not scrape you, all people words are cut you. Eh? So I don't understand. One a little bit untouchy. Now anyways, them that my comfortable tell you come and address blame them and Ivan, you go address figure it out for thief the money and not give none. You know say your shop mash up and your house one fix, not even JPS but go pay the back bill. Eh? Go on yeah. Go on. Anyways, over AKEEM. Come AKEEM because you come for make it and you make it, you know, you go on, you know, AKEEM. Finally you feel free now, you don't have to live under snow bandage. Finally you're supposed to have 100,000 in your card. You're supposed to have 100,000 per your card, you can put gas in your bike. Courtesy of Rosalie. Rosalie make this happen. Rosalie do this now. Courtesy. Curdy. Huh? You see your life funny? And now when said one come and say you make Rosalie can go out now, feel confident. Tal. Come here. You make Rosalie feel confident in herself and can go out. Then the peanuts used to sell like things not out that. Anyway, we not have no roof not out. Mom! You check for that something for me? No, I can't do that. You're bright here. Eh? Don't do that. Yeah. You understand me? So how comes? Or you come to teach them a better way? Me not understand. How? And a $2.7 million for teach you a better way. Me don't want to coach you. You for a coach football, AKEEM. You're too expensive. You can't coach the Jamaican them. You forgot coach football and come and throw Rosalie down in the wilderness. Way down in the wilderness, simply bliss. Which by you send Rosalie not even taxi she can't find down. You put Rosalie in a gated community when she busy and look on gully all her life. All her life. The child busy and look on gully. What? Him go on here. And you beg her do come on live with Rosalie. If you stifle Quint, I know you're stifling. And Jake's supposed to laugh. You see a little bit of money put up on Jake? Structure, give Jake's. A little bit of money give Jake's from foundation. Foundation, you know. Jake's a laugh. 3 fingers you push up in a Jake's and all the shit come out of freedom. You loosen Jake's bowl, you know him a do on him own. A bay. Nicki Minaj have one song, shitted on him, yeah? And that AKEEM do you. Nobody not see this. All of your big long time before time so cocky gift to them. All of them long time center table. All of the girl them we have to sit down every now and then because them ankles well like your own. All of the girl them who for drop, face drop and body drop. All of them are support you while AKEEM a benefit. AKEEM a pimp out your nastiness. You have to pay AKEEM now for happiness. Me nah ask you, Rosalie, your happiness lies in one boy, who for happiness lies in one next boy. Me nah ask you, Rosalie, you can't trick the whole internet. Me don't know how people sit down and look at you. You can't trick the whole internet, but come with something new. This nah cut now that should collect your 1.9 plus your 800,000 from AKEEM. From him coming in your life, him just a take from your tax collector. Me nah ask you that you pay extortion money, Rosalie. You definitely pay extortion money. Make you have to pay them $1.9 million. Well, Laverne never born and grow you with. Remember you give a baby and for have $3 million in your account and for just give it. So Rosalie, you want a kick in a way you not have where we hook out a local hole. You want a kick in your spot. Yeah, that's why you're fat all over the place like your ambition. You're the only girl missing that even tights can hold up your fat them. You fat them leg up, they tell the people them say you have a belly above your knee. Yeah, but they tell them say anyhow them look under your big blouse them. You see your slave ship gear them when you always wear. Cause you alone wear some slave outfit, you know. Yeah man, sometimes I see me think of Roger Clark. I want to ask if you go up on the vineyard, you know. I tell people say anytime at all you put on tights, look for one belly right here. So you are the only girl I see have a belly here. So me don't know where you do with belly and back. So girl, give us more limbs. We need to see more limbs. Yeah. And you have belly hang down, you have belly catch up, and you have belly all by your foot. Rosalie, that means that Jakes never did a grind. You're supposed to be a virgin, cause all your vagina supposed to last. So me don't know how Jakes said stink. I must say it now wash. Yeah? Me not blame you for hardly did, because for me we use the tail comb and part my fat them just to find my migla sin. Yeah? And worse, me not good in a Cosmo. Me not even all of my part them lean. So me not blame you. Me tell people that every day, me say you're the only girl me say put on tights and have belly pan foot. Every time me see your foot, it's a tummy leg you have. You got a tummy leg. Yeah, you make me want to poke your leg. You got a tummy leg. Yeah. And yeah, come at that. You lay down on your back, them spread like fitted sheet. Me I wonder if you really lay down on your back or you lay down on something. But me not like the line on your back. Yeah. And when you lay down by your side, me not like your arm. It coming like a blanket. It's covering you. Yeah, too much things I want for your body for you, I give you $3 million. Too much things I want, then boy can look on you. Then when you and Akeem stand up side to side, you don't feel like you is a billion. You don't feel like many zeros. Talk truth, Akeem just feel like a single file. Then you really brave. I don't know what's wrong with you, you know. Pick on the size, man, and roll with it. Yeah. Then you could really believe that Akeem want you. Eh? After him so slim and trim and now for go to gym and in the ear and wine and sing, young girl dining, sing girl signing, you don't know mining. Eh? Then you could. No, but she's supposed to know her size. From you, see, number one, he's not even tall. You have to lift him up for kiss you. Everyone a phone a face meeting and when on a lay down. Me not like this. Me not like this. He's not even tall. And when him stand up front to him favor whistle sideways. Then what did they say? Then what kind of line could I really tell me? Me that like Rosalie lay down on top of him. That's the first thing. Look how she that charge the manslaughter. Yeah. We can be for adding the charger. Well, eh? She be go listen Diamond. When me listen Diamond for? When me listen Diamond for after me not know age. After me not like history. When me go listen Diamond for? Me not like history. Oh. She tell me about all our long time friend them. Christopher Columbus, Nanny, Noah. One young girl, if you not mention she drop in Abraham. And tell me say Abraham is our father. You got it right, my neighbor. Yeah. No, for sure. It's true. Diamond and Rosalie can't tell me say them a cuss. Diamond and Rosalie can't tell me say them a cuss. Diamond have to talk some secret for me believe. Come boss it. Talk ocean nasty and enough that you have to flush her shit and you have her drawers in your phone. Diamond not cuss Rosalie. All I know no cussing now. I don't want to hear that. Diamond not bust shit. Diamond not busting shit. Diamond mouth only long like use condom. She not bust shit. Oh. Tell me about Rosalie. Tell me the many things them how you have to use the dry mop and wipe up her vomit and wring it out and her mess in your nails. And that we want to hear. Talk about how Rosalie puke catch your wig. We want to hear them something. You know, Diamond not bust shit all now. And now Diamond not talking. Yeah. Diamond just over there make a bag of nice and seek attention. When Diamond for come out and talk, it's not about Rosalie. It's about how figure it out God with the money and the gear now. Because remember them promised them vehicle. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing now go on. What them want though, excitement them a build on the trip where them say, them a go on. Not just mere excitement them want build. Make them a go on. Them a want lay down. Tell them I say she want eye patch. Yeah. She want 2 eye patch. Them a not talk all now. None of this no make no sense. None of this. She just over there on one piece of nice. When them have to talk about her old figure it out rubber. And that she for talk about. Them and now come with the story them. The same way Akeem got with $1.9 million for Rosalie. Figure it out get some money. And him don't give them. Him not split it between him and Diamond. Them for talk about that. Diamond not talk all now. Tell Diamond go reside age. A pure nice she use up megabytes. Pure nice. Eh? A pure nice. Diamond now bust no shot. Ask Diamond the things them. Go over there go ask her. Ask her about the money with figure it out. If she can't talk about that, she now bust no shot. Oh. And money them a look cause they not have no series. And money them a look. At time them did a time way. Because all that we did once see Rosalie and Diamond kick off. At time them give it. Go on here nothing now go on for them. And at that we want here. Where Rosalie 1.9 there. Wait there. Where Rosalie 1.9 there. Diamond talk about that. Now then Diamond you know must know say Rosalie by AKEEM bedroom said. Then oh yeah bust it up and Rosalie you know bust up them something then. You don't know say Rosalie I mean AKEEM and Uno. Bust it now. Boss it with them and not crash out. Them and not crashing out. Oh. Yeah, she not crash out. But why? He asked her about if she know about the 1.9. Ask her if she know about the money, we figure it out, get her and share it with her. Ask her them something we don't want to hear about Rosalie. Rosalie have her own battle for fight because we can't bother listen to she and Rosalie when Rosalie coming about and some gunman too. Eh? Yeah, Rosalie coming about and some gunman. So ask her about it. And money them a look for spend in England for true, them want to buy pounds. It's not them a first time going. Remember them a go the last time and suffer. She have to walk and advertise here just a parlor and restaurant. Come on man. Wouldn't like when people talk the truth. You know, them a look money for England. Go on. Them a look money. Wouldn't make them a trick or no. Somebody wake up Jakes because we want to ask Jakes if he able to 1.9. All Jakes, he want to slap him in the head with that back on here. Somebody wake up Jakes, tell him say them robbing baby mother. I have to go defend this shit. Yeah? Tell Jakes say Rosalie got robbed. Go and tell Jakes that. Tell Jakes say AKEEM down with 1.9 and the mama get 800,000. Them can't done with Rosalie now. Good God man. By the time they're done with the child, she not even have funeral money. Eh? Me tell you upon my life say them Rosalie looks sad in her face and none of them say Rosalie threaten AKEEM. AKEEM I beg Rosalie do not come to the internet with it, and Rosalie tell AKEEM that she is going to come to the internet with Snow argument, with the Snow argument because she have proof about Snow. Oh, she have proof about Snow. She's coming with the Snow argument. You never know. So we don't hear AKEEM mama talk, but they are my grandchildren and I love them. I told the woman now want Rosalie come and class her son, and that's the problem. She no want them come and class AKEEM. Because AKEEM know what do. They are thieves, them come on the internet for play. He man figure it out, sit down one side and say, you know, so we can use them together to get some traction. And that's what they did. And then use them. When they tell them over there, ball. Them a better go back and mobile. But them are over there, ball. When they tell them, I say, I use them, I use her. Right now, them I can
You have?
It's my app.
Yeah. You have? Eh? You not have? You know what I talk about? So talk?
No.
Oh, alright then. Say have?
Little.
Oh.
How that you attack? Yeah. No, it's true. When them are come back, them are thief. And money them are look for go England. As soon as them are see the gift, them are come in. Them are at an eye pound and say, yeah, you know, girl look good. You know, girl at. Them are not cry yet. Them are not cry yet. Them are for top and she a crash out over. It's not Rosalie. It's the facts that figure it out, thief. The money not get on. Why wouldn't you listen to me? Why wouldn't you hear when I talk drunk crop? Why wouldn't you listen to me? And the money we figure it out, thief. She don't want to talk about it because it's going to make the 4 look bad. Oh. To make the 4 look bad. And then nothing, this have nothing to do with Rosalie. Because Rosalie get wrapped just the same.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Device paired.
Someone was gonna offer me bad man was. So me no can buy BMW if me want BMW.
You've been losing sleep, crying.
Them and cost, all I know, them and Rosalie don't have nothing. All of this a lie. All of this a lie. All of this is lie. All of this a lie. Not no go so. Them and Rosalie are the same thing. Not no go so. Not them a thief. Then I saw them and go check figure it out. Them and him thief the money. Him thief the money. Them a lie. Not no go so. Them and you're too old for your prank the app. Yeah, it's all a Collyred. It's all a Collyred, boy, yeah, ball. You've been losing sleep, crying in the dark. Move your nastiness and go back and be at this light now there. Go show me say you lose sleep and crying in the dark. You can't hear Airbnb and say, it's too lie. But anytime me I get bring you. She make me a pine way. She make me a pine way. When Rosalie have my bad man. If you want BMW, I can buy BMW too. You know, of course. Them and I you that. And I you that. And I you that. A British money, yeah, look. The promoter tell us not to buy one own plane ticket, make you also so hard. Eh? All them can provide a visa. Me just ask you something. Make you have to come after embassy, come hustle. So move them, you're too old for this, man. I'm gonna sit down. But we want you to do a bust it pan Rosalie. You're not bust it all and no. You're not chat shit. We don't want you in a friendship banner theory. Where talk about how figure it out, Rabio. Yeah? Talk about how figure it out. You must last. Because you know, see a dry war between she and Rosalie. When she and Rosalie, when Diamond and Rosalie did for have anything, is when Diamond used to cook for Rosalie and Rosalie a display her nastiness. If that never bother Diamond, nothing can but where Diamond? Where? Old thief. Where? We're not buying a Perital. Yeah, we're not buying you no Perital. All of this a lie. If Rosalie and you kick off, bust it. Because you know Rosalie not hold back her mouth because she not stop the behind the scenes and walk and chat the whole of you know. Bust it. You know bust it. You know bust it. All I know, them not chat shit. Them look England money. Them look England money. Talk about how figure it out, get the Melissa money and don't give you any. After the boy them say them use on for buy a car. And they go buy on a car. Then AKEEM woman now come and get over $800,000 from out of Rosalie. And then AKEEM put up picture say him buy Rosalie this. And him buy Rosalie that when we look for say Rosalie downtown in a sunshine doll place. A shop, same Syrian store. You understand me? A shop. And you're gonna tell me now from heaven to earth now. Say AKEEM take Rosalie money go buy bedroom where AKEEM did that 3 pan. Where AKEEM did a sleep and AKEEM went a furnished place because me know bike can't carry load. Where AKEEM was sleeping and what was he using before all of this? Make him have to take your money and go buy his and her bedroom set. Eh? Make it make sense. Una not talk the real truth and the real truth the internet want from una. Una live bad like dog and a fight against una. Una rob una one another. One. Tell AKEEM mother say send by the $800,000 come. And AKEEM trying to make Rosalie. Rosalie can't even prison yo. You know why she can't prison because she never work for you. Thief and thief, God laugh. God, you don't stop laughing. God them, hey, God them people don't stop me from last year. You laughing now? From last year, God a chuckle over them yeah. Because thief and thief, God laugh. So Rosalie robbed the net so AKEEM rob her. No man. No, and this is called circulated money. Yeah, when I show a bedroom set when AKEEM buy it, and we know AKEEM don't have it for buy it. Your birthday gift was a drawing. Snow birthday gift was delivered. You never know. And then he might walk and borrow money. Me say when time Snow put up everything on our status. From your threaten AKEEM say you go up on the app. AKEEM tells Snow to stop throwing away upon you. Snow put up cash out. The child cash out, she not crash out, and you are going to crash out. But Jake's near me front, Jake's not near me front yet, you got to beg him for eat it. And one thing I like with Rosalie, if you listen to her speech, you know, she said, I don't burn bridges. Yes, you do. You burn bridges. But you should say, she not burn bridges. You know, here when time she come and say, oh, me can't go back and see you if anything, because she know AKEEM a bleed her and she not Rosalie blink like Annie if he might rob you. Don't be afraid. Come on. I can do it. You can do it too. Blink. You sit up on the app every day at show with pan Jakes. You give Jakes ammunition because Jakes are going to sit and laugh at you. The same man where you use a muggle by your baby father with, him same one and suck you for free. Rosalie, you think your wickedness done yet? Hey, AKEEM shall ring you. You think your wickedness done yet? The reason why Diamond so suck out in because Diamond knows that she mash up. Diamond knows that this mash up Diamond. And when I say mash up Diamond, I mean this mash up Diamond. Diamond not crash out yet. Diamond can't see her money. Diamond knows she not the which part she used today. This mash up Diamond, let me tell you that. All Diamond over there, she look some way to get some money. Oh, this oh, this oh, this oh, this oh, this mash up. All I know you're not, you jump on Rosalie and come off and figure it out. Go up and figure it out and ask, figure it out, where is the money? The money is supposed to split between you and him. A promise is a promise. So oh, you not get your share. And you're bug out. You're not ready for bug out yet. You're not bug out yet. Them know them not agree and coming to the public and go like it's all cute and dandy. Lies. 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 But me say the funny part about the internet is how AKEEM company broke. AKEEM are the one of the brokest TikToker we come here. Up to now AKEEM don't have it because he just make it today and done it tomorrow. Yeah. Because him have Rosalie back then can't lean pan. That's why I kiss up Rosalie and in a Rosalie face. Prime example. Every most man I saw them steer when girl are mind them and them no want the girl them. Them have to come with them want to feed them. Come on, I go class, I'm going around Ashe. Come on, every time you come from my program you disturb me. I'm going around Ashe too, you go talk to Michael and Conroy about you. Me and your friend from nowhere, you come up about bestie. Oh bestie dropping at this, you see me in the middle of my topic, dirty come on. When I call SHEBADA flowers your bestie? When I call her your bestie? Me not like none of you nor she. Anyways, moving right along now. Back to the matter at hand. Yeah. You understand me? You see him sweet her up and go on? Yeah, and that she like. And them sweet up the she like. And them go on up the she like. And them suck the she like, you know? You him sweet her up, man. And I go on. Oh, I mean, I know one not take set upon the girl and Rosalie fall for it. Because Laverne did give her away. She don't know what love is. Laverne gave her away. And she fall for it every single time. What one Sky Queen? Thank you very much, my baby. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. Bleach. Every single time she fall for it. When you allow the girl alone, nobody now mash up Rosalie. If Rosalie did listen to me, she run you a long time. Yeah, she run you. Yeah. And what that? Peony? That's how your name pronounced. I don't even know if I saw you now. Yeah, if she Rosalie did follow me a long time, she run you. She run you. But you know what? Dad, me I get one call. The person reach? Eh? Maro! The person reach?
I don't know. I'm sending everything.
Device disconnected.
What on? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, come.
Yes, sir.
Them say them are coming instead. No, you see, GX is very smart. That's what I'm telling you, say, una class GX pan the app every single day. Me tell una this over and over. Me say, leave GX alone, Seabreeze. Seabreeze, why not go? Seabreeze, me got thump in your back, you know. Eh, why not going? Seabreeze. Yeah, me tell una say, leave GX alone. GX is very smart. And you can see say Rosalie at all on GX long time. A whole heap of business proposition GX could have bring to Rosalie. And she shoot it down. Another thing I want to talk again. How much time I tell you about my program say it best to leave some people where they are. Some persons cannot be helped. You ever hear some people say, all I need is an opportunity. Father God, I need an opportunity. That's when time God not open a way for us. We must not be upset. You know what we must do? We must sit and learn. A whole heap of people say, God, if you give me this, if this happened to me, if this, and when you go into the position, I'm not going to say all the times God land us in the position. Sometimes the devil present the position because the devil knows exactly how we're going to treat the position. You understand me? And we treat the position like dog shit. True or false? We are not ready. We are not ready. Not all of us ready. I'm tired for talk this. Not all of we ready. Me tell you, say Rosalie cannot be helped. And one of the things say I like, why she can't be helped? Because she just don't see herself needing any help. Well, I never know. You have some people work not for a common goal, you know. Them only work because guess what? Them have to eat a food at the time. It's meaningless. What is important to you, it's unimportant to another individual. And if you want to check Rosalie, she was willing enough to mash up her family home, let us say her matrimonial home, after 12 years. And it's meaningless to all of you upon the app. Everyone that own upon the app, it's meaningless too. And you're gonna tell me now that this girl needs a better life. GX was never the problem. He was never the stumbling block in the relationship. She was always a stumbling block because if she mind the family, she's not good with money. You can't take the egg out of the mud, but you can't take the mud out of the egg. It's true. Every time, you know, so when GX came on the app, I look on GX, I say, I am sorry for the many things I've said about this young man. I am sorry because people can lead you to believe that SHEBADA is a drunk crow, which I can be. How much many about you? I eat my neighbor sometimes. So only one neighbor for die.
Please.
No, but so yes, she a all long GX. Why as GX get for him first money? GX say, me tired for sleeping a gully. Me tired for sleep out a door. Me tired for itch up a Marcia. Why as GX getting money? Then you gonna tell me now, say, this idea from an inner city individual, everybody who own all the money in the inner city always start build up on what you call family. I want my own section, you know. I want my own part. So she don't want to own a part. Rosalie is comfortable with how them use the kitchen in her bedroom and the living room, the kids them sleep in there. So she is quite comfortable with that type of liberty. And sometimes we have to leave people which power find them. Them are not cry for nothing, them are look money for go England. Not, when them can talk the truth, then we can accept our tears. Diamond need to come tell you how figure it out and give none of the money. That's what Diamond need to come and tell you. You always sit down and make these uneducated specimens use their mind. Rosalie said a mind game she play. And Diamond is doing the same thing. All Diamond over there crash out. She cannot state no farmer secret. She cannot tell you anything at all. She say, well then, she and Rosalie really kick off. She can't say nothing. All she depend is, me not understand and me not know why people hate me. Because people hate you because you not accept your age. Stop drink supplement and drink Ensure. Stop it. Walk in your age. Walk in your birth paper. Not until you can come and talk what figure it out. Had done to you, then you can come. Oh, not give none of the money you want to plan for thief. or you don't get none of the teeth in money, or figure it out alone get it, and that you crash out over, and that a crash but you can't talk, cause it will look bad for the England trip.
Morning.
Yeah. It will look bad for the England trip and that will beat you. Yeah. You're not crashing out, you're a liar. The whole of that thief, you're not crash out. Talk and talk or AKEEM or ROSEALEE too. 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 And talk or AKEEM or ROSEALEE 2.7 fraction. We don't want to hear that the 1.9 and the 800,000 how it go. The 1.9 and the 800,000 how it go. Because I don't know how you can figure it out much works. And you don't get none of the money you come here sell also. Where? Where? And I know your store now come to. Where? The boy them use for free. Me eat them so there. Me eat this. KFC. Me eat it. I can't drink this.
So you put it for?
And that me say me
make no sense.
ask you for changing them, but I said true you never there. Me can't bother ask you for do
That
that.
make no sense you do a while ago.
God no. It for make sense more. Give me a soda yeah. Give me one Malta, my baby. Nah, my neighbor cost me my old baby. Maybe I true. She not crash out. ROSEALEE texted pan Jakes when she texted pan AKEEM. Every time ROSEALEE calls AKEEM for Jakes, is Jakes don't owe ROSEALEE nothing, not even an apology. Jakes don't owe ROSEALEE nothing, simply bliss. You get what me I say? Yeah, everything when me tell him and them I come cost me feet. Remember these are the stuff where them I cost me for. But me want them I bring arm out to me. Me want them I bring arm out to favor shooter zeal. Me want them I bring arm out to me say. But Shady you say we can't go. Mr. Ramsey you say we can't go. Me can't go back on my yard. See me on my yard, you go to win curfew today. Me tired to tell you know. Tired to tell you say all man do. Some girl just born for man use them a dime of that. Yeah. Yeah, a dime a dozen. Are you that dime? Yeah. It's true. When me tell her, you know, me tell her, me say dime, them boy you can't do nothing for you. More than introduce you for thief cars, clean car. And you clean car that you don't get nothing because you don't look no different, you don't elevate, you don't say nothing. And a long time you clean the car, me that left the work now. When you go on pension, I remember you're not young. So when you go on pension, we want to hear. But them always do them something. Remember them use $1 million give Willie, you know, the light give them $1 million for build kitchen and them take it give man. Yeah, and from there so the internet don't give them any more money. And you come back again and make that young boy you use, you abuse, you refuse, you and set you aside. Oh, you don't get your cut. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. Me have manners. How you not get your cut? Is it true people love Mixup? 1.9. So him owe 2.7 million because him borrow 800,000 first and then him borrow 1.9 after. Yeah. So I just saw it go. Yeah. You see, on the app, on love me dirty argument and on unintelligent. There is no way somebody a crash out and all I know me can't know where them a crash out over. Alright, Diamond, since you're gonna say all of this about ROSEALEE. Alright, Diamond, since you're gonna say all of this about ROSEALEE. Alright, Diamond, since you're gonna say all of this about ROSEALEE, why bother? All of this about ROSEALEE, why bother? Understand me? Because if you come on the upper, you're not talking. You're not crashing out. You get what I'm saying? How can you be crashing out? And all I know, me can't hear nothing. Them and Rosalie at it. No, una at it. Where una at is that una not supposed to come on the app with where una at. Yeah. That's not app worthy. Them is just a thief like the rest of them. Them do exactly what Rosalie had done. You understand when Rosalie want to wash car, that want the money she come. I'm a cabin is a GX. I'm a telling say people always use me. I need a mother's hug. Why me? I must have the ability to moment that she aunt me. Why me? That's it. There is nothing to no series. Unpredictable. Unpredictable, no more easily predictable more than the weather. Unpredictable bad. Them are crash out and not tell you nothing I know. But we want here where the money there. Where the money because figure it out Rob you and AKEEM Rob Rosalie and you're not crashing out over that. You know say you're an idiot girl. Where you should have really crash out over is oh you don't get none of the money. Come na Daima. Daima come where your side of the money there. Eh? AKEEM take Rosalie carry gone into the wilderness and in there closer to town. How you work out that? Why you have to carry Rosalie in the wilderness? Oh, nobody no want Rosalie live nowhere. Put her back at sea view, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Put her back at sea view. Where you trouble the child for AKEEM? Where you take up the child and carry the child gone out so you can pinpoint the child because you recognize that you can get up in her head. If she dare see you, people are going to pinch her into her and tell her. Because people are see right through you. So you take the child and carry love her daughter gone out in the wilderness to chop cane and pick coffee. Eh? And Rosalie sit down there like a big oaring hag. Knowing that he has stifle, knowing that he has suffer, knowing that it's not happening. Rose can't afraid of AKEEM. Rose don't afraid of AKEEM. Don't say Rose afraid of AKEEM. Don't say so. She's not afraid. Rose are by pipe dreams. Oh. If AKEEM can manipulate and tell the internet so much lies, where am I tell Rosalie behind her back? Where am I tell Rosalie AKEEM have a sugar mama? AKEEM has a sugar mama. Yeah? Diamond now mind figure it out. That's why I figure it out and Diamond series now bust no shot. Cause them a watch them one another who spend this and who spend that. Who not go like who not see. Then me alone must look for my vision tired. But yeah, come a crash out. Anytime Diamond a crash out the real way is when she a bust it up on Rosalie. Like GX. Don't look at say GX a crash out while you over the app. When him say hey stinking girl, remember say me when you go bed many times. Now remember you're sick. Ah, that's crashing out. Diamond a crash out. Diamond also. Oh, look how much Airbnb Diamond go, look how much cook Diamond cook for Rose. She not tell me nothing new. And then me for swing over this and say, see it now, it will never come. Yeah, it will never come. Diamond take things in her own and now. She'll come at the forefront. Nothing not boss, Chrissy. Nothing not bossing. Nothing not boss. When Diamond can tell us how the 1.9 go, then it's a boss. She not telling how the 1.9 go. All Diamond over there do a cry for people feel sorry for you. Yeah. But now, baby. Yeah, you know, man.